you guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's been quite long now, almost a month that I haven't posted. I was writing my semester exams. It's that time of the year. It's difficult to get out of the bed. It's Christmas also. I like Christmas. Who doesn't actually? But while talking about festivals, I bring to you a very late Diwali vlog that I promised. I recorded it during Diwali, of course, but it took some time for me to edit, and finally I'm posting it. Like I said, I was writing my exams in between, and it also has a few ink illustrations with it. Also, before I forget, here's a little story time. I don't think I do this enough, but I think I should. It's been quite a few months now that I've started this channel, and we have grown from 0 to 93, which is wonderful. But while all of this was happening, there were times when I did find myself in a position where I'll be down or demotivated for not growing even at a faster rate. But now that I'm in a process of making videos, editing them and posting it in my channel, I feel like everybody of us go through this process, and it's a part of the process. These are phases, and it's very normal. But most importantly, I cannot begin to say how thankful I am to all 93 of you. And if you are one of them and you are watching the video right now, just know that +1 in the subscribers list gave me all the joy in the world. I feel like I'm just beating around the bush, but I was never that great while I express myself. I doubt that I'll ever be, really. But well, the point is, thank you for all those moments that you've given me. Now that we are at the end of the year and it's a wrap, while I go back and think about 2020, it wasn't that bad for me either. It scares me to think what would really have happened if I haven't ever posted that first video of mine back in August, which I'm not really proud of. But I'm glad I started somewhere. I'm glad that I have at least 93 of you now to witness what I really do. Thank you for giving me this wonderful year. I cannot begin to say how much you all mean to me.
So that is basically how my room ended up looking after I was done putting up the lights. Let's just say Christmas came way early for me in December itself. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe if you think that I'm worth it, and come back for more. Bye bye. Have a nice day.